A shady garden isn't a bad garden, in fact, it's a huge opportunity. Many shrubs don't just tolerate shade, they absolutely thrive in it. We're talking lush foliage, beautiful flowers, colorful berries, and even wonderful fragrances. So today we're exploring 46 shade-loving shrubs you can grow. By the end of this list, that dark corner of your garden might just become your favorite planting spot. Let's dive in. Azaleas are among the most popular shrubs for shade gardens. These members of the rhododendron family produce stunning flowers in shades of white, pink, red, orange, yellow, and purple. They grow best in loose, moist, well-drained soil and love the kind of dappled shade found beneath trees. Hydrangea is another classic garden favorite. Its large flower clusters can actually change color depending on soil pH. Blue blooms in acidic soil and pink in alkaline conditions. Planted in spring, keep the soil rich and well-drained and apply mulch in fall to protect the roots. Hostas are extremely adaptable and cold-hardy plants that gardeners love for their foliage. Their leaves range from blue-gray to deep green, and in midsummer they produce spikes of white or lavender flowers. Just water them during dry periods, especially while they're actively growing. Camellia is an elegant evergreen shrub known for its glossy foliage and beautiful flowers. It thrives in light shade and slightly acidic soil. If you live in a cooler climate, provide some protection from strong winter winds. Allspice michelia is a member of the magnolia family. It produces creamy white flowers with an incredible fragrance. It makes an excellent background shrub and grows particularly well in warmer regions. Bayberry is a hardy deciduous shrub native to North America. Its leathery gray-green leaves release a pleasant fragrance when crushed, and in late summer it produces grayish fruits that attract birds. Beautyberry, also called American beautyberry, is famous for its bright clusters of purple berries that almost look artificial. It also produces small lavender flowers and develops beautiful yellow foliage in fall. With about an inch of water each week, it grows vigorously. Bush anemone is a dense evergreen shrub native to California. It produces fragrant white flowers from late spring through summer, and works beautifully as a focal point in shaded landscapes. Dogwood is a beloved native shrub or small tree known for its delicate spring blooms. The flowers appear in shades of white or pink and contrast beautifully with its foliage. Regular watering during hot months helps keep it healthy. Mountain witch alder, commonly called fothergilla, is a slow-growing shrub perfect for mixed borders. It produces unique bottle brush-like flowers and is very low maintenance, thriving in acidic, well-drained soil. California flannel bush is a fast-growing evergreen shrub that produces bright yellow flowers in spring. The blossoms last longer during cooler weather, making it a striking addition to shaded gardens. California allspice is known for its fragrant rusty brown flowers that appear in mid-spring. Both the blooms and foliage have a pleasant scent, and some varieties even produce yellow flowers. Chinese fringe flower grows from about 4 to 5 feet tall and produces delicate fringe-like flowers. Its lush foliage and long flowering period make it an excellent landscape plant for partial shade. Elderberry is a graceful shrub that produces clusters of white flowers followed by dark berries loved by birds and pollinators. It can grow up to 10 feet tall, so give it some space and occasional pruning. Gold dust plant is a slow-growing evergreen shrub with glossy green leaves speckled with golden spots. It thrives in semi to full shade, and too much sun can scorch its leaves. Canadian bunchberry is part of the dogwood family and works well as a ground cover in cooler climates. Its oval leaves and delicate flowers give it a charming woodland appearance. Mulching with peat moss helps provide the acidic soil it prefers. Paper bush is one of the most enchanting shrubs for shade. Its fragrant yellow flowers appear to glow in low light, almost like the plant is shimmering at night. Russian arbor vitae, also called Siberian cypress, is a hardy evergreen with soft, feathery foliage. It stays bright green during the growing season and turns a rich mahogany color in winter. Sumac, particularly dwarf varieties, is a hardy deciduous shrub with ornamental foliage that turns golden yellow through summer. It establishes easily in well-drained soil. Summer sweet, also known as pepperbush, produces spikes of fragrant white flowers in mid to late summer. Its foliage turns golden in fall, and the flowers attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Violet churku produces dramatic clusters of deep purple trumpet-shaped flowers that attract hummingbirds. It grows quickly and benefits from occasional pruning to keep its shape. Virginia sweetspire is a dependable shrub with graceful bottle brush flowers in spring and brilliant red-purple foliage in fall. It's very easy to grow and attracts plenty of wildlife. Heucherella is a beautiful foliage plant known for its golden leaves with a deep red center and intricate veins. In summer, the leaves mature into emerald green with purple centers. Checkerberry, also called American wintergreen, is a charming ground cover shrub. Its leaves release a refreshing mint scent, and its bright red berries taste similar to wintergreen candy. Tree peony produces some of the most spectacular blooms in the garden. The large colorful flowers appear in mid to late spring and make a dramatic statement in borders. Diabolo ninebark is a striking shrub with deep purple foliage and clusters of white flowers. It attracts pollinators and adds bold color contrast to shaded areas. Daphne perfume princess is loved for its incredibly strong fragrance. It blooms in early spring and keeps attractive evergreen foliage throughout the year. Fatsia japonica variegated camouflage is a large evergreen shrub with dramatic palm-shaped leaves. In fall, it produces clusters of white flowers, and occasional pruning helps maintain a compact shape. Dystelium emerald height is a tough, low-maintenance shrub with glossy green foliage. It produces small maroon flowers in late winter and adapts well to many garden conditions. Coprosma Pacific Sunrise stands out for its unique foliage color. Deep chocolate tones with pink highlights that intensify during cooler months. Hydrangea paniculata limelight produces beautiful lime green flowers that slowly turn pink as the season progresses. It's a reliable flowering shrub that grows well in partial shade. Mountain laurel is an evergreen shrub native to woodland areas. It produces intricate clusters of pink and white flowers with delicate patterns in late spring. Japanese rose, also called Japanese marigold bush, produces cheerful yellow blooms throughout the season and grows well in partial shade. Emerald and gold euonymus is a versatile evergreen shrub with green leaves edged in golden yellow. It works well as a ground cover, border plant, or low hedge. Het's Japanese holly forms dense foliage and produces black berries instead of the typical red holly berries. It makes a neat and tidy hedge. Sky pencil holly has a tall, narrow shape that makes it perfect for tight spaces or garden accents. It requires very little pruning. African scurf pea produces soft lilac blue flowers over fine textured foliage that resembles rosemary. It works beautifully along pathways. Serviceberry produces delicate white flowers in spring followed by edible purple-blue fruits. It grows well in partial shade and moist soil. Alpine currant is a tough shrub commonly used for hedges. Its bright green foliage and ornamental berries make it a practical landscape plant. Aucuba, often called spotted laurel, is a shade-loving evergreen known for its glossy leaves covered in golden speckles. If both male and female plants are present, bright red berries appear in fall. California sweet shrub produces deeply fragrant flowers that some gardeners compare to the scent of red wine. It also tolerates deep shade and is rarely bothered by deer. Indian bay leaf, or tejpata, is widely used in cooking across South Asia. Its aromatic leaves have a slightly peppery flavor with hints of clove. Red flag bush is a tropical shrub known for its colorful foliage in shades of red, white, or pink. It responds well to pruning and can be grown as a hedge or a screening plant. Crown of thorns is a hardy shrub from the Euphorbia family. It's easy to grow and produces colorful flowers, but remember that its milky sap can irritate the skin. Goat's beard is a wonderful plant for deep shade. Its feathery plumes add texture and drama, and it grows happily with just a few hours of indirect light. And finally, ferns. They may not technically be shrubs, but they're essential for shaded gardens. With their graceful fronds and incredible variety, they add lush layers and texture wherever sunlight is limited. And there you have it, 46 beautiful shrubs that thrive in shade. Whether you're dealing with a dark corner, a north-facing wall, or a garden beneath tall trees, there's a plant on this list that can transform that space. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more gardening ideas and plant inspiration. And let me know in the comments below, which of these shade shrubs would you plant first? Until next time, happy gardening!